Hey guys, I'm drawing on a mirror. Check this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to trace our face using crayola markers, regular markers, and then we're going to create a print from it. So when you're doing this, you're going to want to close one eye, like this, okay? You can do either eye. All right, you're going to look in the mirror, you're going to want to get close to the mirror, and then you're going to trace around your face using the marker. You can add other colors too and get as creative as you want. This is harder than it looks. But what I really want to demonstrate to you in this video is how to take a print of this. So I have a piece of paper here, and I have my finished print. What I'm going to make is a mono print. That means I can only print from this one time. I'm going to take my piece of paper, and I'm going to get it wet first. I'm going to get it completely wet with water, and then I'm going to dry it off. So watch. I'll just do this at the sink. When you turn on the sink, if you turn it on all the way high like this, it's gonna splash you when you put your paper under, so turn it down. And then you can let the water run on your paper, just for like a second. You just wanna get it wet. Okay, then you can set it down. By the way, if your hands had marker on it, you need to wash them first or you'll get fingerprints all over your paper. Take a paper towel, you're gonna dry your paper off. Dry it off completely so that it's not dripping. It should just be damp. No puddles of water. Okay? Then this will go in the garbage can. All right, now I'm going to set my mirror down so it's flat on the table. I'm going to take my paper with the wet side on top, and I'm going to just set it down on the mirror. Once you set it down, that's it. You can't move it. Take your hand and spread them with pressure all over your paper.
Wait, Ms. Teal, the wet side onto the mirror?
The wet side onto the mirror, the side that's the side that is the most wet, the side the water hits. Okay, and again, you gotta really press this. Make sure you're like massaging the paper. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to slowly lift this up and I want you to see how the marker printed on to the paper. And there we have it. Again, that is called a monoprint. It's a self-portrait because you did an image of your face, and it is actually backwards. When you print something, the printed image is backwards. So, for example, whatever was on the mirror is going to print upside down. So you don't want to sign it, you don't want to write your name or write any words on the mirror, or else it's not going to make any sense when it's flipped over in your printed image. All right, and then you can rinse off, use your paper towel, wipe down your mirror, and then you can make another one. Sometimes when you make monoprints, you have to, try again and again. This is now my third self-portrait monoprint, and this is the best one I've made yet. But it takes practice. So good luck, you guys. I can't wait to see how these turn out.